gas formation or dyspepsia. Very, very common. You find people all the time burping, farting, rubbing their tummy because they're feeling uncomfortable. Particularly after a meat, they're so uncomfortable. They're all the time, wish I had not eaten so much. Oh, I'm so uncomfortable. There are people who come to me saying that you press any part of my body, I can burp. You know, there are a lot of ladies like that who come. It runs in the family. This is called as gas or burps or dyspepsia. This does run in the family. You know, you can inherit a bad stomach from your parents. It is possible. Having inherited one, what can you do about it? What is the allopathic way of approach? They do have antacid, they have other medicines which they give, which can control it over a period of time. While you're taking it, it's in control, you stop it, it is back to square one again. In homeopathy, what we do is, most of those people who got a strong family history, I'm not saying we can completely cure it and make your stomach better, no, but I can make it much better. Once you start on the homeopathic medications, the burps will come down, the flatulence will come down, the bloating will come down. This is the most disgusting thing is the bloating. You're feeling full all the time. You're all the time rubbing your tummy in discomfort. But once you start on the medication, it will take a little time. It will take a few months for you to respond well. But once you respond, you'll feel a lot comfortable. There will be rarely a few instances where you'll feel uncomfortable, particularly the day you have eaten too much of food and all that. We can also provide you some SOS medicines which you can keep with you, which can help you with the bloating. Usually bloating and acidity, the burning, they come together and both can be treated together. And for those of you who are already on allopathic medicines on a daily basis, who are addicted to it, that's how it works. Because when you're on an antacid, you get addicted to it. It's very difficult to live without it. We can help you de-addict it. You start on homeopathic medicines, and what you're taking every day, you make it on alternate days, once in 2 days, 3 days, and slowly first stop the allopathic medications and be only on homeopathic medications, and over a period of time, you can stop even the homeopathic medication. Diet does play a big role in this gas formation. What causes dyspepsia? It varies from person to person. Some people react to chana, some people react to this particular thing, that particular thing. It's a personalized thing. You see what causes gas in you, and you decide, okay, these are the things that doesn't suit me, so try to keep away from it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. But I can tell you generally, milk and milk products I have seen. Paneer, cheese, coffee, tea, these are things which can cause you. Try avoiding it for a few days. Go on a lactose-free diet for some time. You can take lactose-free milk, you can take curd, you can take buttermilk. No coffee, no tea. You can have black tea, black coffee, green tea. Avoid too much of spicy food. I would highly recommend that you go on to a diet which I have given on my website, drmanoj.com. Now this diet has tremendously helped a lot of people come out of acidity and bloating. It's a bold diet to be had every 4 hourly, no restrictions in food, you can eat what you want. Take a look at it. If you resonate with it, start on it. I've done it, a lot of people have done it with me and they've all benefited from that diet. Check it out. Acidity, gas, bloating. This can be taken care of with medication. Stress causes acidity, there are many things that causes acidity. A lot of people say a lot of things, but there are some people who lead a very disciplined life, they still have bloating. This is when it comes to genetic. This is why it comes, because it runs in the family. You're born with a bad stomach, with a little weak stomach. We cannot repair it to 100%, but we can make it much bearable, much better. You won't suffer with it. So if you're having bloating, gas and all that, contact us. We will put you onto medications. Give us a little time to set it right and we can definitely take care of it for you. Take care. Stay safe.